ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೇನಾ ಕೇವಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ವೇನ್ಸು, ವೆನ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ವೇನಾ ಕೇವಾಕ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ through superior and inferior vena cava from all parts of the body enters into the right auricle. This right auricle opens into right ventricle by means of an aperture. This aperture is called right auriculoventricular aperture. This aperture is called right auriculoventricular aperture. And this right auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by a valve. That valve is called tricuspid valve. That aperture is guarded by a valve, and that valve is called tricuspid valve. And this tricuspid valve only allow the flow of blood from right auricle to right ventricle and not from right ventricle to right auricle. Only in forward direction the blood will flow, not in backward direction. That will be prevented by this tricuspid valve. And this right ventricle, which is thick-walled chamber, and from that arises large pulmonary artery. From that arises the largest pulmonary artery, and this pulmonary artery opening is provided with semilunar valves. It is provided with semilunar valve, and that also prevents the backward flow of blood, only allows the forward flow of blood, that is from right ventricle to pulmonary artery, not in backward direction. From right ventricle to pulmonary artery and not in backward direction. This is the flow of blood from right auricle to right ventricle and from right ventricle to pulmonary artery. Only the forward direction of blood is due to the presence of tricuspid valve and the semilunar valves. And after the pulmonary artery emerges out of the heart, as we know, the right part of the heart contains deoxygenated blood, which is flowing through the pulmonary arteries. And this pulmonary artery, after its emergence from the heart, it divides into two branches. One is the left pulmonary artery, another one is the right pulmonary artery. As we know that pulmonary refers to lungs. These pulmonary arteries enters into respective lungs. Enters into respective lungs, where the purification of blood takes place. Impure blood, deoxygenated blood becomes pure blood or oxygenated blood, and that oxygenated blood is carried to the left auricle through 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each lung. Ille lungs nalli enagutte re right side of the heart, right auricle ninda right ventricle ge, right ventricle ninda pulmonary artery ge blood bartada. ಪಲ್ಮೋನರಿ ಆರ್ಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 2 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿಜನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. and that oxygenated blood is carried to the left auricle through 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each lungs. So now the pure blood is in left auricle, and this left auricle opens into left ventricle. Left auricle opens into left ventricle by means of an aperture that is called left auriculoventricular aperture. By means of an aperture that is called left auriculoventricular aperture, and that left auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by a valve, and that valve is called bicuspid valve. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Bicuspid valve ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, which prevents backward flow like that of tricuspid valve. Only it allows the flow of blood from left auricle to left ventricle. Now the blood is in left ventricle, and this from the left ventricle arises largest artery of the body, and that largest artery of the body is called aorta. Largest artery of the body is called aorta. This aorta, after its emergence from the heart, gives rise to two branches. This aorta, after its emergence from the heart, gives rise to two branches, and those two branches are called coronary arteries. Those two branches are called coronary arteries, which supplies the blood to the wall of the heart for proper functioning, for proper contraction and relaxation of the heart. They will supply the blood. One is left coronary artery to the left side, right coronary artery to the right side of the wall of the heart. So after its emergence, it gives rise to these two branches, coronary arteries, and this also, that is aorta, is also provided with semilunar valve, and that semilunar valve only allows forward flow of blood, not the backward flow of blood. It only allows the forward flow, that is from left ventricle to aorta, aorta to the, and this aorta after its emergence giving rise to two coronary arteries, it runs backwards, bends backward and runs downward as descending aorta, and runs downward as descending aorta. And that descending aorta runs throughout the length of the body in the form of different arteries. For example, to liver, hepatic artery, to kidney, renal artery, to stomach, gastric artery, to intestine, intestinal artery, to spleen, splenic artery. Like this, it supplies, it gives its many branches to all parts of the body and carries oxygenated blood throughout the body. It runs in the form of the descending aorta. So oxygenated blood is distributed throughout the body. So the heart pumps the blood all over the body, throughout the body. In a lifespan of 70 years, a person who has got the life, who has the life of about 70 years, heart beats nearly about 2,500 million times. 2,500 million times. During that, heart pumps 9 pints of blood per minute. 9 pints of blood. In the sense, 1 pint is approximately equal to 0.473 liters of blood. 1 minute ಗೆ 0.473 liters of blood ಅನ್ನು ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 1 ಡೇಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You will recognize the working nature of the heart, the functioning ability of the heart. Not even a single fraction or millifraction, or even though very less time, it will not stops its function. If once the heart function is stopped, everything is stopped in the human beings or in any other animals. That is called death of the organism. So this is about the structure of the heart. And in the next, we're going to discuss about the double pumping mechanism or the double circulation of the heart. Okay, thank you.